Mapping Dynamic Systems, a story about marbles and ramps. When I was a kid, I was always looking around at things that were moving around me. And this got me curious about how things move. And I learned about motion by watching objects move around me and accurately recreating their movements in my imagination. When I was a kid, I did experiments with marbles and ramps because I wanted to control the variables and uncover the secret rules that related everything that was moving around me. I could tell that there were rules and they were invisible, and I wanted to understand them. And I would roll these marbles down ramps into dominoes thousands of times, and I would build a model of everything that happened at snapshots in time. And the model describes 6 simultaneous perspectives of cognition. Who or what am I looking at? How many are there? Where are they on a coordinate system? When are they on a coordinate system? How did they get there? And why are they there? And looking at these things, at these snapshots, enables me to relate them to each other and understand proportional relationships and rates of change between them. I've known this a different way since my earliest memories, but I created this model that describes another model to try to explain this idea to other people about how orienting these 6 perspectives of cognition in a framework that relates them at snapshots in time is a way to model dynamic systems. And this framework provides a comprehensive understanding of all of the 6 perspectives in a system at snapshots in time. And this video shows a marble rolling down a ramp and how much potential energy and kinetic energy there is at each snapshot, where the marble is in a coordinate system, when it is in a coordinate system, how it moves down the ramp, which is the interaction between the marble and the ramp, and why, which is gravity and mass interaction. And knowing this is a comprehensive way to understand how something moves. This model applies to marbles in motion, heat in motion, honey in motion, and money in motion, because all of those things are transactional energy units that are moving through a system. And in the end, it's all calories. So a marble rolling down a ramp is energy, and you can measure that energy in different ways, and it costs me calories to lift it to the top of the ramp. And heat in motion going through an engine is also calories from the sun. The fuel that's burned there is alcohol, and that energy came from the sun. Honey in motion is sugar that's being moved by bees. And money in motion are units tokenized in the form of currency that we move around in exchange for work. And all of these things can be modeled using these 6 perspectives at snapshots in time. And this is a story about mapping dynamic systems.